Namaskar all of you. Namaskar all of you. Namaskar Anay, Anak, Dharmiya, Diana. Namaskar beta. Am I clearly audible to you all?
नमस्कार मैम.
Namaskar beta. Okay everyone. I am fine beta. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Welcome. Okay everyone. So let's start our class. The prayer. So everyone please join your hands and speak slok with me everyone. Om Bhurvashvah Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Om Bhurvashvah Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Rub your palm, touch your eyes and your whole face. And namaskar all of you. I hope you all are happy and healthy at your home. Right? Now, our next turn is for the today's day. Today is Monday everyone and date is 11th of October 2021. Right? And which festival is going on? कौन सा फेस्टिवल चल रहा है अभी? नवरात्रि. यस. आप खेलने जाते हो नवरात्रि?
Yes.
जाते हो खेलने? यस. अच्छे से रेडी होके, है ना, लहंगा चोली पहन के जाते हो ना? हाँ, वेरी गुड. So today is 6th of Navratri day. Okay, and our today's thought is festival teaches us to love and sharing. ये जो फेस्टिवल्स जो सारे हैं, नवरात्रि, दिवाली, संक्रांत, फिर क्रिसमस, ईद, गुरुपुरब, वो जो जिनके भी अलग अलग फेस्टिवल्स हैं, वो हमें क्या सिखाते हैं? द फेस्टिवल टीचेस अस टू लव एंड शेयरिंग. एक दूसरे से प्यार करना और एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर करना सिखाते हैं, है ना? कोई फेस्टिवल ऐसा सिखाता है कि हम चलो झगड़ा करें? सिखाता है कोई फेस्टिवल? नो. किसी भी फेस्टिवल झगड़ा करना सिखाता है? Our today's class work is missing and between number in the notebook, and homework is same as classwork. Same as classwork मतलब आपको missing and between number ही notebook में लिखने हैं. Okay? But numbers are different. Numbers कैसे different होने चाहिए. जो हमारे नंबर है वो हमें different लिखने हैं. Okay? So now let's take attendance and then after we start our today's work. Okay? So in today's meeting there is the Anay present today. Dharmiya is also present. Diana is also present. Eva, Henil is absent today. Tanvi, Nisha is also absent today. Swarashravya and Diana. Okay? And Khanak. Yes. Only Dihan, Swarashravya, Henil and Devanshi is absent today.
Ma'am, we are here.
Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
स्वराष्ट्रव्य प्रेजेंट है.
हाँ मैम. Nisha and Swarashravya, sorry. Okay. Swarashravya, what are you doing, beta? Sit down. Okay, can we join the meeting? Okay, everyone. So let's start our today's class. So everyone, please take out your maths notebook because we have to do our work in the notebook. So everyone, please take it out. Everyone, please take out your maths notebook because our today's work is in the maths notebook, everyone. So let's start our work. On the Friday 22, on the Friday what we did? Between number, right? On Friday we did between number. So today we are going to start first missing number and then after we learn between number. Okay? I show you something. Okay? Listen everyone. We can do missing number like this also. I show you something, everyone. Listen to me. Everyone is listening me or not? Yes? Okay. I show you something. Okay? आप उसमें अलग अलग कलर्स है. आपको वो कलर्स को याद रखना है. And then after I am asking you everyone. Okay? So first of all, please see everyone. Can you see this tower? Can you see this color tower? Namaskar, Dihan. Can you see this color tower? Yes? See, there is a rainbow color in this, right? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, sky blue, indigo and violet, right? These are the colors in this tower. Done everyone? Now I am asking you everyone by one. Okay? First I am asking you everyone between numbers. Concept of between. Okay, first of all I ask to Dian. Dian? Yes, Dian? Are you present in the class? Okay, Dian. Tell me which color is between green and orange? Green and orange. Which color is between green and orange? No, green and orange. Which color is between green and orange?
Yellow.
Yes. Yes, very good. Okay, next is Shravya. Next is Shravya. Shravya, which color is between sky blue and yellow? Which color is between sky blue and yellow?
ये कौन सा है?
Which color is missing in sky blue and blue?
24?
Look at the tab. It's a green color. Very good. Next is Dharmiya. Dharmiya. Okay, Dharmiya. Look at the tower and tell me which color is between yellow and red. Which color is between yellow and... Sorry, will you please repeat it again? Okay, it's a orange color. This is the between, orange color is between yellow and red. Okay? Now, our next turn is of Khanaf. Khanaf, look at the tower. Which color is missing here? आपने टावर को अच्छे से रीड किया था? इसमें कौन सा कलर मिसिंग हो गया? ऑरेंज तो है। ये टावर में कौन सा कलर मिसिंग हो गया है? Blue. Yes, it's a sky blue color is missing in this tower. Right? Very good, Khanaf. Okay. Next is Diana.
Yes, ma'am.
Diana, tell me which colors are missing in this tower?
ये आपकी आवाज नहीं सुनाई दी है। रिपीट करो तो
जवाब दे। See the tower and tell me which colors are missing in this. आपने रेनबो वाला टावर देखा?
कौन सा कलर मिसिंग है मैम पूछ रहे हैं।
मिसिंग हो गया है। कौन सा था? रेड, ऑरेंज, उसके बाद कलर था? नो, वायलेट इज देयर।
कौन सा कलर मिसिंग है इसमें?
इसका मतलब येलो और दूसरा? ओके चलो येलो। एंड देन इसका कौन सा कलर था? यस, ग्रीन। तो आपको जब भी पढ़ाया जाए आपको कंसंट्रेट करना है। मैंने बोला था कि ये टावर को अच्छे से देख लो, बोला था मैंने, राइट? नाउ आई एम आस्किंग टू Khanaf. Ma'am, okay, I'm asking to Khanaf. Khanaf, tell me which colors are missing in this tower?
Light blue.
Light blue तो है। Which colors are missing here? Who told me? कौन बताएगा? चलो। Yes, one is orange. Okay, orange and then येलो तो ये रहा बेटा। ये डार्क ब्लू या तो इंडिगो कलर, राइट? अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? तो हम से भी नंबर्स के अलावा भी हम इस तरह से मिसिंग और बिटवीन कंसेप्ट सीख सकते हैं। अंडरस्टूड? तो आपके पास अगर बिट्स है तो आप बिट्स कलर वाले बिट्स को लाइन में लगा के फिर उसमें से कुछ बिट्स मिसिंग करके मिसिंग नंबर कर सकते हो. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट वर्क इन आवर बुक. प्लीज राइट डाउन क्लास वर्क एंड डेट. Please write down class work and today's date. Please write down class work and today's date. Swarashravi, are you writing? आप लिख रहे हो बेटा? आप लिख रहे हो? आज दोनों मजाक के मूड में. And then here, first you have to do heading with missing number. Your first heading is missing numbers. Start writing everyone, missing numbers. Keep one line and write from here. Start writing 75. फिर छोटा सा एक ऐसे कोमा बनाना. ठीक है, मेक अ लाइन. ऐसी 3 लाइन्स ड्रॉ करो, 1, 2 and 3. And then write 79. Then skip one line and write again. "91, 94, 96. Parents, help your child if they are not able to write. Parents, help your child if your child is not able to write. Then after 69, 71, 73, 69 dash 71 dash 73 and dash. Last one, 58, comma 58, then after put the 3 lines blank and then write comma. Okay, after that keep 2 lines and make a heading between number, between numbers. ओके, अब बच्चों को दे दीजिए मैम, बिकॉज इसमें तो सिर्फ 2 नंबर्स ही लिखने हैं, so they can write. Let's write kids. अब सारे बच्चों को खुद से लिखना है। यहाँ हम नेक्स्ट जब मिलेंगे तब मैं देखूंगी कि आपने खुद से लिखा था या मम्मा ने लिख के दिया था। वेरी गुड धर्मिया। ओके, लेट्स राइट 49 dash 51. Very good, Khanak. 49 dash 51. Then after, next number is 81, 83, 81 dash करके 83. Am I clearly audible and visible to you all? Next numbers are, keep one line and write 76 and 78. 76 and 78. ओके, देन आफ्टर यहाँ पे जो हमने लिखा है उसके बाजू में 2-3 लाइन स्किप करके हम लिखेंगे 98 and 100. 98 and 100. Okay, after that, skip one line, 69 and 71. 69 and 71. खनक, आप क्यों नहीं लिख रहे हो बेटा? चलो, let's write last number is 02. Last number is 0 and 2. Okay, everyone. So see it again. Please put your camera off so you can see the full screen.
मैम प्लीज फुल पेज एक बार दिखाओ ना मैम।
हाँ मैम, please put your camera off so you can see the full screen of the page. Okay, see everyone. First of all, you have to write classwork and today's date. Then after, please write missing numbers, heading, write down 75 and then put the 3 blanks and 79. Then after, our second sequence is 91, put the 2 blank, 94, 1 blank and 96. Completed kids? Done? मैं आज वापस रिपीट कर रही हूँ। मैंने उस दिन बच्चे की वर्कशीट और नोटबुक में देखा बहुत सारे बच्चों ने क्लास वर्क नहीं किया था, जबकि वो FCC में प्रेजेंट होते हैं। So kids, don't do it again. Okay? You have to complete your classwork with me. You have to complete your classwork with me. FCC में सिर्फ प्रेजेंट रहना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, ठीक है? So please complete your classwork with me, everyone. I know the name, but I don't want to declare. So everyone, जो भी नहीं करता है वो प्लीज अब से शुरू कर देना, ठीक है? Okay, everyone. So I want you solve this number by your own and then show it to me. Very good, Dharmiya. Then please check is it right or not. Ma'am, beyond visible? No, ma'am, parents of Dharmiya, I can't see it properly, ma'am. So please check by yourself. मैं सिर्फ ये कहती हूँ कि आपने लिखा है, राइट टू चेक। So please parents see, and if there is a mistake in this, correct it. Dharmiya and Vihan is done. Anyone else? Okay, Dharmiya, tell me which numbers are missing in sequence 75.
Ma'am, is completed.
Very.
Ma'am, answers written by Anay.
Yes. Okay, Dharmiya, tell me which numbers are only missing. Tell me. आपको पता नहीं। 75 के बीच में कौन मिसिंग है? Okay, now speak please. Dharmiya, please speak now. बीच में then 76, 77 and 78. Very good, Dharmiya. Next is Vihan. Vihan?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hana, Bojan is not visible to me yet. Okay, Vihan, tell me which numbers are missing in the sequence 91 to 96. 91 sequence हमने लिखी थी।
नहीं, मिसिंग नंबर खाली बोलवाना।
मिसिंग नंबर बताओ मुझे।
मिसिंग के बोल
એમ નહીં, એમાં મિસિંગ નંબર જે છે એ જ બોલ ખાલી. આ અને આ 3 નંબર જે મિસિંગ છે એ બોલ. જોરથી.
92, 93, 94, 95, 96.
Okay, Vihan. Missing numbers are 92, 93 and 95. Very good, Vihan. Dharmiya.
આ
Next.
બધા મિસિંગ નંબર ખોટા છે.
Next is Khanak is done, so I want to ask Khanak, which numbers are missing in the sequence? Starting.
मेरा दोनों हो गया.
कौन है ये? Ziana. Okay, I will ask after you. After Khanak. Khanak, which beta?
Third sequence, ma'am.
Yes, it's visible. Now you are visible.
Ma'am, I am asking third line now, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Third line, starting from 69. Sequence started from 69.
No, only missing number.
Missing है
73, 74.
Very good, Khanak. Next is Anay. Anay.
તારો ટર્ન આવ્યો.
Anay, hello beta. Anay, which numbers are missing in this sequence?
Fourth one, no, ma'am.
Sorry?
Fourth line, no, ma'am.
हाँ मैम.
અને અંડરલાઈન કરેલું છે ને એ નંબર્સ કહેવાના.
कौन सा नंबर मिसिंग है अनय? Yes, then 60. Then okay, good. Now Ziana's turn. Ziana, which number comes between 49 and 51, beta?
50.
Very good. And how to write 50?
How to write 50?
1 10 5 1. Is it right?
1 10 50.
How
Five.
many tens and ones? 50?
5. 5.
Right?
5 10 50. 5 10
Wait.
5. Not the number 50.
Okay.
Bukan salto, ada salto.
You hope you understand concept of this number. We will meet tomorrow at 1. Namaskar.
Ma'am, homework.
होमवर्क में मिसिंग इन बिटवीन नंबर इन दी नोटबुक, बट नंबर जो है वो डिफरेंस लिखना, जो हमने क्लास वर्क में करते हैं उससे डिफरेंट नंबर लिखना. दैट्स व्हाई दे मोर.
Okay, ma'am.